Kubor na Snem jong Nongpang Hima.
Ka State TB Office Meghalaya haringkat ka Trelang bat ka Meghalaya Rural Bank hakakat tarik ubnai naitung arja pesau kala pelat ba ya ka CSR engagement kabade ka sinjang ban pensapriang kubor hakabade ba ka jingpang TB lingba ka jingsam ki passbook kum kalat jingarap shaki ship hongot ki nong yo jing mentoi ka thong jo ka program kalong ban penbana ya ka CSR engagement ban penpriang ban pensngut ho ba ya ki kubor ki bade ba ka jingpang TB ya ka program la benlong HGP Assembly Hall Kebadan Mal Persya bat ke Meghalaya Rural Bank Main Office Habarik Shillong. La penyat yang tiga cingalang dak kong Amanda Lingdo jong ke Meghalaya Rural Bank balayo ya kejingkran penyang sengubhan Udipak Sinha Roy Chief Manager ke MRB. Keladon ru kejing penkup buram do Dr. Bishanpuru District TB Officer East Khasi Hills Shillong Shau Chairman bat Chief Manager ke MRB. Layo ya kejingkran halor ke thong jong ke CSR bala ai du Ashish Yadav Chairman ke MRB hak ba ulaong baka bank kelas dang ka sinjam ban pen i ki khubor pensngut ho pai ba shapang ka TB hak ktien phareng garo bat khasi haki bank passbook da ka jing thmu ban pen poy ka ne ka khubor shaki pai ba hakeleng ki jaka nong kendong jong ka jala Meghalaya wi adaf ula buru ka jingkular jong ka MRB halor ka jing thmu ki sinjam ba pher jong ka sarkar hapo ka ne ka program pendrung pisa uyadaf ula pen pau ya ka jing ade jong ka MRB ba ki jing persyang ban rat dingkhong ya ka jing pang TB napo ka jala ka banyalam ya ka jala ka balat na ka TB bat ka India ka balat na ka TB lapan kut ya ka tega program da ka jingpen bam smai halor ka TB balale da ka kong N3C khar kamni State Technical Advisor the Union ACSM bat ka jing ai khublai kerpang da ka Dr. Emika Renja Assistant Program Officer State TB Office Meghalaya.
From the NTP, we always do this pledge. So this pledge means that we urge citizens, we urge communities to come forward and hope for a TB-free India. So as you know, by next year, 2025, we are aiming towards ending of tuberculosis, aiming for elimination. So let us stand together and take the pledge. I have solemnly pledged to make my village, district, state and my country, and TB free. TB Hariga, TB Hariga, Thank you everyone.
To be with us in this call today. And I thank also management team of Meghalaya Rural Bank for associating with the state TB cell government of Meghalaya. I would like to highlight that Sri Ashish Yadav, chairman of the Meghalaya Rural Bank, was very receptive to TB elimination effort by the state TB cell. As you know, tuberculosis is a major obstacle to India's human and economic development. There is a stigma associated with TB and TB patients, but we all know that TB is curable if we can do the identification, diagnosis, testing, and treatment as early as possible, and especially if the treatment should be not interrupting, and it should be completed till the end of the treatment. So, tuberculosis is a major obstacle in As you know that tuberculosis is a major obstacle to India's human and economic development. So, as per National TB Prevalence Surveys in the 2019 and 2021 identified the gaps. TB prevalence among India population in percentage is 31.4%. Prevalence of all forms of TB in India 312 per lakh. Proportion of the symptomatic population who did not seek healthcare services 64. These are on track because these are the ones who will spread more and more about the TB. A higher prevalence of pulmonary TB was observed in the older age group, males, malnourished smokers, alcoholic, and other who has other comorbidities like diabetes. As you would agree, creating awareness about TB is very important. We need to find TB patient, initiate treatment, and ensure the completion of treatment of each patient. Prevention of TB is vulnerable to with the comorbidities is very, very important. Like those TB, HIV, AIDS, alcoholic, tobacco, consumption. In Meghalaya this year, till June 2024, we have 2,305 cases who have been registered as compared to the year 2023, where 4,971 TB cases were registered. Because now, if we go to elimination, because by 2025, so we have to search for the cases. The more we get the cases, the more we can protect the community, the spread. The action required to tackle the socio-economic and structural determinant of TB call for the harmonized multi-sectoral response that highlights the roles and different sectors can play to accelerate TB, a process of TB awareness. It is with great pleasure to inform you that the State TB's Office, Meghalaya, in collaboration with the Meghalaya Rural Bank, is launching a CSR engagement banking initiative to disseminate TB messages through the beneficiaries' passport. This initiative will reach out to the community with TB messages. Of collaboration with the bank, take decision by the State TB Office, Meghalaya. My gratitude to the Meghalaya Rural Bank for accepting to disseminate TB messages in the beneficiaries' passport. The inclusion of these messages in the passport is a powerful tool for visual representation. These passports thus become more than just financial records. They become important educational resources that can save lives. The collaboration between our health initiative and the Meghalaya Rural Bank exemplifies how different sectors can come together for a common cause for the entire community. I would also highlight the Pradhan Mantri TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan, a unique initiative launched in September 2022 by our Honorable Prime Minister. It is a social movement that seeks to involve every section of society in the fight against TB. Under this initiative, any individual, corporate, entity, NGO, institution, elective representative, etc., can become a donor or a Nikshi Mitra and support TB patient with nutritional, diagnostic, and vocational support.